What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be fixing something on my girlfriend's car. She made a little boo-boo, but yeah, I'm gonna be fixing that, tinting that. As far as what happened, she can go ahead and tell you the story. We'll go outside and tell you that story right now. Alright, so here she is. She's gonna explain what happened to her car, and now I have to fix it. So, what happened?
Basically, around the time of the hurricane, I went to my friend's house. She lives on this little side street. It's a very busy side street. Pretty much the hurricane took up a tree and the sidewalk concrete was on the bottom. And I was backed out of the spot to fix myself, not worrying what was behind me. I was worrying about this way. And I backed into some uplifted concrete pretty much, and I did that.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to go ahead. There's some damage there too. I'm gonna be replacing the taillight. We already got the taillight, and then have to retint it. So we'll go ahead and get started with that now. Alright guys, so I just finished up installing the wrap. I even tucked it in on the ends here so it looks all nice, and I'm gonna cut out the excess as much as I can. I would say I think it was harder doing it off the car than on the car because I have to try to hold it while I wrap. I think while it was on the car it was easier to wrap, but I think the tucking in was harder while it's on the car. So I don't know if maybe installing the wrap while it's on the car and then taking it off to tuck it in might be easier. I don't know, maybe there's other tricks like Premium has that might be able to help you guys, but as far as for me, I just found it more difficult to do it while it was off. But I mean, the tucking was a lot easier. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Alright, so I went ahead and cut off all the excess. That way there's not too much back here when I install the tail light. So now we are gonna go outside and install the taillight. By the way, guys, this is the X-Acto knife I used. You could probably get it off Amazon or anywhere. Nothing crazy, but it definitely helps when cutting like precision cuts like this. You wanna cut something thin. It really helps out. So recommend getting this as well.
Woe is me. It's so blurry.
Are you drunk?
Maybe. It's so blurry.
Follow me, follow me.
Babe, it's blurry.
Alright, well, get me first. You got me, look at me first.
Why would anybody want to see you?
Alright guys, are you ready? You recording? Recording this stuff? Alright, so we're gonna fix her little boo-boo she got going on here. I already wrapped the tail light. I have a different video for how to do this. I can link it in the description down below. But we're gonna go ahead and replace this tail light for her. You're welcome. Alright. Can you unlock it? Is it unlocked? It's not unlocked.
Why do you need to unlock it? Oh, I thought you just took it off.
Then people would be stealing these things.
Dirty.
As you can see, it's a mess in here. Alright, so first, we're gonna start by unclipping these two clips right here with the flathead. It's supposed to just pop right out. Of course.
It's probably spiders living in mine.
Probably. There we go. This one feels like it's already
Loosey-goosey?
Yeah. Feels loosey-goosey. Okay, that one go. Right? Use muscles. Did you get on camera?
I think so.
Alright, that hurt.
That was his first workout of the new year, ladies.
Ladies? You think there's a lot of ladies watching this?
And mainly gentlemen.
Ladies?
I know I don't watch your videos.
You see that, guys? I get zero support. Maybe it needs a little more persuasion.
A little more loving. Don't break it.
This thing's stupid anyways. Don't break it. Why'd you back into a thing?
Say it to my face. Maybe if you worked out a little more, you'd be able to get it.
Work out my fingers? You want me to work out my fingers?
What about your biceps? Your
this isn't a bicep project right now.
Your forearms? Your wrist?
It's my fingers.
Yeah, well maybe you should work those out more often.
How? How would you like me to work out my fingers? Don't say it, there's children.
You know how.
Don't say it, there's children.
Go, and action.
Alright, so once you get these 2 clips out from here, very simple. I lied. This was hard. My fingers hurt. I got needle nose just to kind of help me because it was stuck in there. So now we should be able to just pull this out. It's embarrassing. Okay. I lied. Come back over here. These come out also.
Oh my god.
So these are in there, and then these second ones come out as well. Here's the second one for the top one. So, whoops.
I remember my first time changing
Alright, so the first thing is we took this out of this, and then this comes out of there. Okay, so you got those 2 pieces, and you got these 2 pieces. Okay? Now, there's something in here holding it, which we just got to kind of like pull off.
Ooh, don't break it. You break it, you buy it.
God. Okay.
Joseph.
What?
Are you an electrician?
Yeah. Okay, so you see these 2 things here? They were in these holes. Come take a look. Come hither. See these holes? No, not too close. Zoom out. All right, so there's one there and one down here. That's where these 2 things were stuck in. So you pull those out. Now we're gonna take these lights out. Wait. What was that? Anywho.
You know how to do that?
So the way we take these out, you're gonna twist it to the left, and it's gonna loosen. Then you're gonna pull it out. So that's one light.
Why does it look burnt?
Where? All right, so we're gonna do the same with, I think that was the brake light. This one down here is the turn signal. Twist it to the left, pull it out, just like so. We're gonna lay these here gently, because now we're gonna put them in the new one. These already have its own lights, but we're gonna save these and just use the stock lights. So I'm gonna take these out, twisting left. So we're gonna have extra bulbs.
I was just recording the floor.
Anyway, so we're gonna twist these to the left as well. Take these out, and we're just gonna leave the stock ones on since they're already on here. And if they go out, we could always put these new ones on. So you put it. Put it in there and twist to the right. Come on. Like so. Put this one in, and as you can tell, there's like a little cutout there that fits perfectly with the cutout around here. So you put that in, twist it. What the? There's a little gasket that was on the other one. Whoa, that one's different. So it goes on here. All right, make sure to put the gasket back on the bulb for the blinker. So we're gonna put the blinker in, and we're gonna twist. Like so. It stops right there. Now we're gonna put this back in.
Don't break it. You break it, you buy it.
All right.
Second workout, 2019.
Feels like it's in. Let's go test it out before let's go.
I'll do it.
Yeah. All right, so now she's gonna go inside, step on the brakes, put the blinkers on, make sure everything works before I tighten everything down, because of course you don't wanna have to redo everything. Okay, that's good. Next one, we wanna see the blinker. Okay, it's blinking, that's good. And the reverse. Go in reverse, but like don't go in reverse, you know what I mean? Okay, those look the same also, perfect. All right, it's good. All right guys, so first we're gonna put these clips in there. They slide right on in, pretty easy, and then we're gonna push these in there. These were a pain to get out, but that's in. Push this one in. Yeah. Snug like a bug in a rug. All right, good to go. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Don't get the imperfections, please. Try not to. Try not to, please.
I can see it from here.
Can you really? Okay. All right, guys, come over here because the hole's over here. All right, so we're gonna put these clips in. You remember these guys?
No. Oh, these little guys.
And yeah, don't forget those little guys. Here's the cock out one.